Hey, Gino, you going dumb. Woof. I'm going dumb. I'm trying to leave it and start getting it that I want. Whenever I want, it's okay to be wrong. It's not okay to be wrong. Gotta move on. I never front. I keep it wrong. Do it for fun, man. I do it for fun. Trying to build sound no bricks. All I do is flip these beats, giving them smoke like race. All about the green like weed. And I wanna green like cheese. Spend a couple G's on my G's. Spend 100 G's on my steeds. Chill my face like fiends. Gotta get them high and fixed. You know how I do this shit. Still in the hood like pumps, itching my palm. Money is a bitch, I'ma make her come. She got me sprung, and I want me some motivation tied in my arm.
Alrighty, y'all, so we're leaving the track, bro. We're about to head to the 7-Eleven joint because it is 7-Eleven, bro. So it's about like a 20-minute drive. It started already, and those joints get packed out, bro. So we're about to just head there real quick, and yeah, the next spot will be there. Sheesh.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, y'all, so we made it to this joint, and it's packed, bro. I had to park 3 blocks away, man. So we about to go check some of this joint out real quick, bro. Every parking lot within this joint is packed, bro. That parking lot packed, this parking lot packed, all the way down is packed, up and down the street is packed. You see people walking all over the place, bro. This thing is hectic, man. It was a long line to get into the gas station. Alrighty, there you have it. But yeah, bro, even in and out across the street is packed out, bro. So a lot of people come to these joints, man. I see some pretty cool cars in there, so we're gonna get up there and check it out, man. This parking lot right here is packed out. This parking lot is packed out, bro. Even this parking lot right here, bro, is packed out, bro. Crazy, bro. Got a ZR1 pulling in. Ooh, sounds nasty. Sheesh. That thing nice, man. You know, I gotta show you a C6. So as you can see, bro, the gas station's right there, and it's packed, bro. A lot of heads, bro. A lot of heads. The Supra with the big tire, man. Sheesh. We even got a GTR trying to get it, bro. Crazy. Got a C8 with the lights on that joint. Okay, okay. My boy G37 that made it, John. Okay, okay, my boy. I see. VQ for real, for real. Dang, look at this Beamer right here. Sheesh. Dang, I just got up to the front, man. We got a something over there. I think it's a Lambo. Sounds pretty nice, man. Sheesh. Got a RA pulling in. Okay. Sheesh, they got me on tape duty. Gotta hold the tape up. Sheesh. This thing clean, man. Got my boy Kicks his Z out here on the tire. Ooh, very nice. You think he gonna do it? Nah, blue ball. We got the 2JZ Lambo right here. Big old turbo on that joint. Sheesh. We got Mr. Stock 720 out here. Oh wait, no, that's not him. Never mind. Ooh wee! Look at this thing right here. Got the GTR 1 and 2. Very nice. This Lambo right here. This green. Very nice. This joint clean right here. Got an Aston Martin right here. This joint green, bro. I thought it was black. With the yellow joint. Okay, okay. With the bronze wheels. Oh, my boy spec this thing out, man. This joint clean. Mr. Dillon, sir, you did your thing with this, bro. That's clean. I like that. The old school joint on BBS's, huh? Ooh. Got the C8 right here. Ooh wee. We got Mr. Speedy's joint, the full carbon Z. Ooh wee. Got my boy Z out here. Ooh. So y'all see we found the bike section, man. Then we got this Challenger right here with a nice little wrap on it. Ooh. Yo, this wrap on this joint is crazy, bro. What the heck? This is crazy. Oh, wait. I like this wrap, bro. This is clean right here, bro. It like changes like colors. Like, this thing is nice, bro. On the white wheels, man. Got the R8 backing in, man. It's a drone right above me. I ain't gonna lie, that feel good though. Got the Liberty Walk GTR right here. This thing nice, bro. Got the GT3. Very nice, very nice. Got Mr. Driver Mods joint right here. Ooh. Always a treat. I love this car, bro. Absolutely love this car, man. Also, just picked up a GTR too as well, man. Very nice, very nice. Got the Hellcazy business in the front and then party in the back, man. Ooh. Right here. Sheesh. Pause. That's his name, y'all. Chill out. Oh boy, already got a hot tool. Can I see the back of your shirt, bro? Crazy. Y'all seen this M4 on the last cruise? Well, by the time this video goes out, it's a couple videos back, but the loud popping joint. This is him right here, man. There's so many cars here, bro. So like this whole parking lot is backed up, bro. And then we even got cars over here, bro. Look at this thing right here, bro. Sheesh. Very nice. This thing clean on the BBSs too. Ooh. Got a very mint C6 right here. Sheesh. Oh, damn. They're out here wilding, yeah. But very mint C6 right here, bro. Very nice. Got the Aston Martin joint. Ooh, I mean Maserati joint. I said Aston Martin. Maserati joint. V12 joint, yeah. Sheesh. I was thinking of that car over there in the gas station. Something sound crazy coming down the street right here, man. Sheesh. Alrighty now.
Did my fish die?
So we got Mr. Thick leaving, man. Again, pause. That's his name. Chill out. Yo, this car almost hit him, man. That Mustang sound beautiful. Sheesh. That thing's so loud, yeah. Sheesh. I guess it sounds like a Lambo. It's something exotic over there, revving, man. But I'm not gonna go all the way over there because look, you see everybody go there, right? Everybody go, yeah. So by the time I go over there, bro, it's gonna be done. It's gonna be done. Got this bad boy heading out right here. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Oh, it's a V10, the V10 M5, bro. That joint sound nice. Sheesh. Oh, and it's the GT3, bro. Very nice. Very nice. Look who I found. I'm about to go down to the corner, bro, because that's where all the action is, man. My boy right here been trying to get out for the past hour. Sheesh. Oh, look at that. The little flakes behind it. Okay. Oh, my boy trying to come in. Her license plate said GTA Life. Have 4 stars already, bro. This is awkward. Classic BMW versus Mercedes. Damn, she said you can't park there. She's trying to eat. She's trying to go in, I guess. I don't know. You gotta honk. You gotta honk 3 times. Honk 3 times. She's stressed out. She's over here stress eating and shit.
So much room. got more room than a van.
Look how close she was to the steering wheel. Sheesh. This thing clean right here. Oh. Oh, is he gonna scrape? No, he's good. He's good. Sheesh. Ooh wee. This thing clean right here, man. Oh, sheesh. Very nice. Dang, my boy about to do some donuts. Oh, oh. Oh, Snack got the RA right here. Oh, HREs. Very nice, very nice. Got the Z coming in. And they got the Tesla screen in that joint. Sheesh. Dang, boy. Big Texas type joint, you dig? Ooh, wee. Very nice. What is this coming off? Oh, some bikes. Oh, snap. Man. Alright now. Sheesh, the clean C6, man. You know I gotta show you the C6, man. Gas to. Over the Porsche, I take the C6. For sure. Oh, lamb truck. The Performante too. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, and then RS7, I think. Very nice. Got the Aston Martin heading out. Very nice. Sheesh. My favorite. Woo. Not cammed. Yeah, I don't believe you, sir. Sheesh. Oh, dang. My boy dropped the clutch. Very colorful, man. Dang. Very nice, very nice. Oh, not the cup again. This thing is clean, bro. Sheesh. Alrighty now, alrighty now. Oh. Damn, my boy, I'ma smack them. Nice little Beamer right here. Oh, wee. Damn, truck showing out, huh? Okay, Kev. That Z01 is just going through it, bro. Oh my gosh. And my boy on the BBS is sheesh. Very nice. Take off. Oh, snap, got the Prius in this joint. Oh, snap. As y'all can see, we got the people lined up on this middle thing right here. Wonder how long that's gonna last. Oh, like I said, I keep saying I'm gonna go down to the corner, but I just haven't made my way over there yet. Oh, snap. Chill out, man. Oh, man, look at this joint. Oh, my boy angling the wrong way, man. Sheesh. I don't think he ever gonna get out, man. Y'all think he gonna scrape? Let me know right now. Ooh! Ooh! There we go. My boy know how to drive that thing. I ain't gonna hold you. Got the Maserati heading out. Sheesh. That joint nasty right here, man. Sheesh. Take off. Sheesh. Tesla with some light ups. Oh. Sheesh. Dang. Sheesh. My boy got the HREs on that joint. Very nice. Damn, what the heck is that? Sheesh. I don't know what the heck that was. Oh, damn. Hey, my mic don't work now. So we got something coming out. I see everybody with their phones up, man. Oh. Yes, sir. That's how you drive that thing, boy. Woo. Y'all hear that thing right there, man? Sheesh. Oh, yo! Oh, I hope I got that, man. Oh, that boy wildin', yo. Jeez, man, I'm about to go across the street. Hey, hop the curb, man. Just jump over that bitch. Just jump right over that motherfucker. Oh, not the bus. Do a pull. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the public transportation, man. Shit, not the mom van. They're trying to catch T-Mobile for the close. Got it. Not the firework, man. Made it to the hoodlum spot, man. Now we about to get all the action. Oh, sheesh. Yeah, sure. No, it's not. Hey, we got a lot going on, man. This is crazy. Ooh, punch buggy. Got a little polka dots. Oh, another dude. He trying to do a burnout, man. Oh, big ass. Somebody over there doing some two-stepping and all that. Oh, my boy doing a burnout. Well, he tried to anyway. Oh, it's not. We got an exotic heading out. Oh, it's a bike. It's a bike. My fault. My fault. It's a bike. Sheesh. Uh-oh. Undercover done got it. Got the C8 heading out. Sheesh. Got another C8 heading out. Yeah, so I guess that's a real cop. I guess that's a real cop. I thought it was fake. What do you say? It's not a real cop?
Nah, that's not a real cop.
Oh, it's not a real cop. Damn, I got played.
You got cop.
Oh, sheesh. Malibu tripping. Yo.
That boy got the little scooter light.
Oh no, that is a real cop, man. Never mind. Following him down the street. Hey. Oh. Damn, bro, that is crazy. My boy did that joint, I ain't gonna hold you. It's everybody following him down the street. I said he came back for part 2, man. Oh, dang, he gonna do it again. Is he gonna come back? He gonna come back or what? Gonna come back or what? He's spinning the block. Oh no, he kept going. He kept going. Oh boy, about to do something in the camera. Sheesh. Hey, it's hella people in the street, huh? Oh! Got the CTSV. Got the old school joint. Alright, y'all, so we're back in the hoodlum spot, man. Sheesh. Catch all the action right here, man. Woo. Got the fireworks about to go, man. Sheesh. Somebody said kick it. Oh, damn. Sheesh. Somebody said kick that joint. What the heck? So we got the 2JZ heading out. The 2JZ Lambo heading out right now, y'all. Wait for it to peek around the corner. Watch for it. Watch for it. 2JZ Lambo. My boy put up on that activity. Put up with the activities, man. Sheesh. My boy just trying to go home. Oh, the bikes are leaving now. Somebody threw firecrackers on the floor. So technically this event is over now, but here we go. Nah, I don't know if this is real or... Do a burnout! Oh snap, my boy almost hit him. Ooh, right hand drive. Alright. Got another Porsche heading out. Ooh, we got the GTRs heading out. Oh, oh gosh. Oh Lord.
Yeah, stop throwing that.
Let's see if he's gonna do it again.
Not even a call.
Wait a minute. Oh my gosh, there's a lot going on, y'all. Oh, stop. There's a lot going on, yo. Oh my gosh, y'all. There's a lot going on. What the heck? There's a lot. I don't know what to record. Oh my gosh. ZR1. Sheesh. Yeah, this is wild, bro. This is wild. I don't know what to record, y'all. Oh, snap. Ah, you got the doggo. What the heck just happened? Oh, snap. Think he gonna get it or what? This is wild, yo. This is wild. Oh, what the? Yo, this is wild, man. Ooh, we got the big Harley coming through. Big body joint. Oh, 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 snap. Oh, my boy almost fell, yo. Oh, damn. Got the perf heading out, man. Shit.
He said no, and he was like,
We about to get him. Oh, snap, we gonna get him. Oh, wait, he's not gonna get the Subi. What the heck? He got juked out. We got some more bikes coming out. Oh, dang, yo. Oh, man. He's all right, y'all. He's up. He's walking around. He's up. He's all right, y'all. Oh, dang. Oh, damn, bro. Jeez. He's all right, y'all. He's walking around. My boy about to get launched.
bro would have literally been
Jeez. He would have been gone, bro. Jeez. Oh, that's not about to get with the activities, man. Ah, crazy. Not the dually. The dually. Big old truck, man. Oh! He hit the goal. No. Oh, jeez. Super chill. So we got the Turbo Z's trying to leave, but Highway Patrol sitting right here at the light about to make a U-turn, man. Let's see how this plays out. Let's see how this plays out. Oh, snap. Okay, here they come right here. I think they're going, look, here they go. Oh, snap. We're going to get him. Sheesh. Oh, he's back? He's chill, yo. All right, now the Turbo Z's are leaving, man. Mr. Speedy and my boy, I forgot his name, bro, with the blue joint. The vet heading out. Sheesh. Got Highway Patrol right here. That boy can't fly, yeah? Sheesh. Got the clean classic BMW. Ooh. That thing nice right there, man. little baby joint. Did he spin the block just to do so? Oh, you know he got to, man. You know he got to. He's coming, man. Hey, get on the fucking Oh, damn.
Hear that whine?
Sheesh. That boy got some good brakes, I tell you that. My favorite C6, bro, leaving. Oh my goodness. Absolutely love this thing right here, man. Got the Hill Kizzy following, and his new GTR he just picked up, man. Sheesh. Yo, this nigga tweaking, yo. What the heck? Y'all, so the camera died, man. I didn't bring another battery either, so we back on the phone with it, man. Man, that Lambo nice, man. Beautiful joint. Y'all, so the parking lot is empty, man. So that means it's time to go home, man. So yeah, man, that is it, bro. My face is all oily, bro. It's like, it's hot, but it's cold and it's humid. You dig what I'm saying? So it's horrible, man. But yeah, bro, I'm done. I'm really mad the camera died, bro. Stoof. But I got this long walk back to the car, bro. I gotta remember where I parked. I can't remember, but yeah, man, time to go back to that joint. And yeah, man, hopefully y'all like the video, man. If y'all did, bro, hit that like button for the kid, man. For all my new people, subscribe, man. If y'all rocking with the content, bro, check out all the videos, man. They like this, bro. Mainly I do racing, but you know, from time to time I bring y'all this fire content right here, man. So if y'all rocking with it, hit that like button for the kid, bro. It really goes a long way, man. Subscribe for all my new people. Yeah, that being it, man, I'm Wavy K, bro. Make sure y'all stay blessed. Make sure y'all have a blessed day, a blessed week, and most of all, man, make sure y'all stay wavy, bro. And I'm out of here.